Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream very easily. This simple, no-churn method requires just a few basic ingredients and no special equipment. You'll be enjoying delicious homemade ice cream in no time, with minimal effort. It's a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the fuss of an ice cream maker. Let's get started on this delightful culinary adventure. For this incredibly easy recipe, you'll need just 3 main ingredients. Start with 2 cups of very cold heavy cream, which forms the base. Next, incorporate 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to provide the perfect level of sweetness. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic, comforting flavor. A tiny pinch of salt can also elevate all the other tastes beautifully. Now for the fun part, customizing your ice cream. You can easily transform the base into many exciting flavors. For a rich chocolate treat, fold in about 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Or after whipping, gently mix in crushed cookies, candy pieces, or even chopped nuts. Swirl in fruit purees or jams for a refreshing, fruity option. The possibilities are truly endless. To ensure your homemade ice cream turns out perfectly every time, here are a few key tips. Always start with very cold ingredients. This helps the cream whip up beautifully. Be careful not to overwhip the cream, as it can become grainy. Use an airtight container when freezing to prevent any ice crystals from forming. Finally, let it soften for 5 to 10 minutes before scooping for the best texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.